Hello! In this video, we will discuss how to categorize adjectives and how to correctly order adjectives when several are used to describe a noun. As we mentioned in Unit 2, adjectives are words that describe a noun, such as blue, large, or beautiful. Sometimes you may want to use more than one adjective to describe a noun. If you do, you need to be careful that you put the adjectives in the correct order. We order the adjectives based on how the adjective is categorized. To categorize means to group items together based on their similarities. There are 8 different categories we use to group similar adjectives together. The 8 categories are quantity, opinion, size, age, shape, color, nationality, and material. The category of the adjective is very important when you use more than one adjective to describe a noun. We will give you examples of these categories in a moment. But first, look at the list of category adjectives. It shows you the correct order to use when listing adjectives. So, pretend you want to describe an object using a quantity adjective, a size adjective, and a color adjective. You would write or say them in that order. That is the order you would use because quantity adjectives are number 1 on the list, size adjectives are number 3, and color adjectives are number 6. Now let's take a closer look at what each category means. First comes quantity adjectives. Quantity adjectives describe an amount. Some examples of quantity adjectives include the words some, any, enough, very, 5, 10, and any number you can think of. Next are opinion adjectives. Opinion adjectives describe how you feel about something. Some examples include good, bad, interesting, delicious, important, and funny. Adjectives that describe size come next. Size adjectives include small, tiny, short, large, huge, and tall. Fourth on the list are adjectives that describe age. Age adjectives include old, ancient, young, middle-aged, new. Fifth are adjectives that describe the shape of something. Shape adjectives include round, rectangular, square, oval, and flat. Number 6 on the list are adjectives that describe the color of something. Color adjectives include yellow, orange, blue, reddish, dark, and bright. The next category of adjectives are nationality adjectives. Nationality adjectives answer the question, where is someone or something from? Some examples of nationality adjectives include American, South African, Chinese, and Brazilian. The final category on the list is material adjectives. Material adjectives answer the question, what is it made of? Some examples of material adjectives include silver, gold, wood, plastic, and metal. Like we mentioned, the order we just discussed is the order that you should use for listing the adjectives. First, we would say or write a quantity adjective, then an opinion adjective, a size adjective, and so on until you reach the noun. We do not use 8 adjectives to describe a noun. Usually we do not use more than 3 adjectives to describe one noun. Let's look at an example. Pretend you own a pizza store and you want to advertise the pizza you make. You might describe the pizzas as huge and delicious and Italian. Would you say you sell huge, delicious Italian pizzas? Delicious Italian huge pizzas? Delicious huge Italian pizzas? Let's look back at our chart. First, think about your categories. Huge is a size adjective. Delicious is an opinion adjective, and Italian is a nationality adjective. So which comes first? Let's look back at our categories. First comes opinion adjectives, then size adjectives, and then nationality adjectives. In other words, you sell delicious, huge Italian pizzas. So to summarize, there are 8 categories of adjectives: quantity, opinion, size, age, shape, color, nationality, and material. When you use more than one adjective to describe a noun, be sure to put them in the correct order based on their category. Next, you'll play a game in which you must put the adjectives in the correct order.